Ever wondered how to make your own Vietnamese-style pickled carrots and daikon at home? Today we're diving into flavor with a simple and delectable Vietnamese-inspired recipe. Imagine transforming ordinary carrots and daikon into an irresistibly crisp, tangy pickle that will have your taste buds dancing. Whether you're adding a zesty crunch to your banh mi, tacos, or just enjoying them as a snack, these pickles are sure to impress. In under 90 minutes, you'll have a pound of pickles ready to elevate your meals. What are the key ingredients for this pickle paradise? Well, you'll need daikon, carrots, kosher salt, unseasoned rice vinegar, sugar, and water. Each of these components plays a crucial role in crafting the perfect pickle. The daikon and carrots provide that satisfying crunch, while the kosher salt and rice vinegar bring out their natural flavors. The sugar and water are your control knobs for sweetness, allowing you to dial in the perfect balance. A symphony of flavors awaits. Let's get started with the pickling process. Are you ready to embark on your pickling journey? Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to slice our daikon and carrots. Whether you prefer matchstick or round sizes, it's entirely up to you. Remember, the thinner the slices, the quicker they'll absorb the pickling solution. Once you've finished slicing, give them a good pat dry. This helps the vinegar mixture adhere better, ensuring every slice is packed with flavor. Now, onto our pickling solution. In a bowl, combine equal parts of unseasoned rice vinegar and water. Add a sprinkle of sugar and kosher salt to the mix. Stir until everything is well combined. Now it's time to immerse our daikon and carrots into this magical blend. Make sure every slice is covered. Let them sit and marinate for at least an hour. As they soak, they'll begin to absorb the tangy, sweet, and salty flavors, transforming into deliciously crisp and vibrant pickles. After an hour, your crisp, vibrant pickles are ready to make their debut. Now that you have this flavorful batch of Vietnamese-style pickled carrots and daikon, how can you enjoy them, you might ask? Well, the possibilities are as vast as your culinary imagination. These pickles are the perfect companion to banh mi, adding a tangy crunch that beautifully complements the sandwich's rich flavors. Or maybe you're in the mood for tacos. Sprinkle these pickles on top for a zesty twist that will make your taste buds dance. And let's not forget about grilled meats. Their smoky, succulent taste pairs wonderfully with the crisp, vibrant taste of our pickles. But hey, who says you can't enjoy these pickles straight from the jar? Their sweet, tangy flavor is a delight on its own. And remember, we want to see how you're using these Vietnamese-style pickles. Share your pickling adventures on social media using #VietnamesePickles. Pickling is more than a cooking technique, it's a flavor adventure. So go on, take a crunch, and elevate every bite with these Vietnamese-style pickles.